Teach your little ones to read even if they are 18 months old. Oh, you do not believe me, really? Listen and see for yourself.
What does that say? Bat. Okay, what if I put E at the end? Now what does it say?
Snake.
That's right. Good job. Yeah, that's right. Ah. What does that say?
Mat.
Okay, what if Daddy put wait, what if we put an E?
Make.
Made. Good job.
Mat.
Do you want to know more about our method? Go to the description and click on the link that appears there, and by the way, get our all-free English mini-series. See you.